As you can see on this trail in the North Campus, there is lots of opportunity for trails maintenance.
Hello, UCCS and the Greater Pikes Peak Region community. My name is Dr. Maggie Gaddis, and I'm here to talk to you today with Skylar and TJ about the Trails at UCCS program. The management goals of the program are to facilitate trail management and ecological monitoring on the UCCS open space properties, to provide leadership opportunity for UCCS students to foster a stewardship ethic among UCCS community, to protect native vegetation, riparian habitat, cultural resources, and sustainable trail alignments, and to promote engagement in outdoor recreation and associated wellness benefits. The research goals are to provide accessible research for opportunities for UCCS students and to facilitate community science engagements. The UCCS open space has 170 acres, including 7 total miles on 17 designated trails in 3 campus regions. The trails connect to trails managed by the City of Colorado Springs and surrounding neighborhoods. The trails provide opportunities for recreation, fitness, transportation, volunteerism, education, and research. Let's visit a few of these wonderful lands on our UCCS property.
This Trails volunteer program could also include the monitoring of historical landmarks, such as the Trimbley property that was donated to UCCS. This is the old chimney stack of a structure that was part of the Trimbley property. The Lori Cohen 5K Trail Project will take advantage of many natural features that are included within the UCCS trail system.
Skylar, thanks for taking us out there to experience it firsthand. So, with increased access comes increased use, and as the open space of UCCS expands, the collateral damage of recreation is that we cause degradation to the landscape. And so the real call for monitoring is to be able to engage in an early detection of landscape degradation, early detection of non-native plant invasions, so that we can strategize where erosion mitigation is required, and also so we can monitor social trail closure, because the quality of the trail also relates to the number of social trails there are. If we can keep the trails that are system trails in good shape, then we can keep people from making their own trails. So the solution to this problem is to commence the TUCCS program. We are working to recruit students to participate in a work-study position called Student Trails Champion. The work-study will assist in leading volunteer recruitment and also assist in managing the real handwork of monitoring the trails. The TUCCS program will also provide an opportunity for students to participate in the collegial process of scientific inquiry on UCCS open space lands. We certainly don't expect to be able to do this on our own, and therefore we hope to partner with numerous entities on the UCCS campus and beyond. So the Recreational Trails Advisory Committee is providing oversight on this project. Students can participate as volunteers with the TUCCS program. We hope to engage the Center for Student Research to recruit students into the research components of this program. We are already working with the Pikes Peak Crew Leader Training, a regional effort to train crew leaders, to provide an opportunity to train our volunteers and our work study in proper trail maintenance techniques. We are working with the City of Colorado Springs, with whom we share this landscape, And in the past, 2 students have received Green Action Fund for citizen science allied activities. In 2018, William Brown attended the Rocky Mountain Citizen Science Conference in Cody, Wyoming. And in 2020, Lacey Meek conducted, in COVID times, truly amazing, a native plant germination study for that. Let's hear from Lacey.
Hi, my name is Lacey Gallman and I conducted the UCCS Open Space Soil and Revegetation Study. In this study, we tested percent germination of 6 different native plant species in soil collected from both system and non-system trails on the UCCS campus. In this study, I monitored the germination of Silky Phacelia, Showy Fleabane Daisy, Side Oats Grama, Blue Grama, Little Bluestem, and Fringe Sage in system and non-system soils, as well as in a petri dish. This experiment took place in a biodome environment to control water and temperature conditions. The soil I used in this study was tested for soil type, soil characteristics, and organic matter at the CSU Soil Testing Lab. It was found from this study that the species Fringed Sage thrived in system and non-system soils, while all other seed species germinated at higher percentages in petri dishes not containing any soil. For more information on this study, please visit my blog at laceycgallman.wordpress.com. Thank you.
Lacey, thank you for sharing your research with us. Next steps. So we hope that students like William and Lacey will continue to be interested in doing this kind of work. They are just 2 of several students who have done trails-related research with me. I will be teaching the Sustainability Minor capstone course in the spring, and I hope my students in that class will work to solidify the program goals and processes we have described briefly here. Students, please self-recruit to this program. If you are interested, contact us. We are not running this program, you are. Students hatched this idea several years ago, and we are just carrying the torch forward, trying to make it into an official program on campus. Have a wonderful Sustainability Summit experience, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.